Hi guys, here we've got another Source Sounds video. Now what we've got here is a SKODA Superb. This unit had got the SKODA Columbus unit in it. These are notorious for failing, and this is actually the third one that we've done this week that we've actually replaced this unit. Alright guys, so we're now inside the vehicle. I've turned the ignition on. You can actually see that's the unit, so you can see how it finishes around here. This trim surround, and then just touch the screen to bring that on. So now what you can see with that is this is the home screen. And obviously what we've got is we've got AM FM radio, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming, we've got USB, HDMI, AV in, and then we've got the Apple CarPlay Android Auto, which I'll show you now. Right, so now I've unlocked the phone. Obviously what you can do is you can see we've got the Apple CarPlay features on there, so it looks well, fits well. This works with the existing steering wheel controls, and also on this unit, if I'm to put the vehicle in reverse, this will actually give us the parking visualization on there. And if I take it out of reverse, the heaters, then you can see there, that's giving me the climate control. And then if I'm to go on to the heated seats, you can actually see that that's actually adjusting this. So like I said before, so I'll just bring that back down and turn that off. Like I've said before, this is the third one we've done this week, so this is actually quite a common fault. So these buttons will work on the steering wheel control, so your volume up, volume down, track forwards and backwards. So for further information on upgrading the system in your car, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.